So thanks for using Delta. We have this message. So click on home button. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here and you will find instruction on how to do it, or let me just show you. So go to your profile official of Roblox and copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R2, then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. Press continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, it found an R user ID successfully connected. The next step is select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select these 6 scripts. Okay, let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I recover more of this and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we are on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start downloading from the official publisher for the app or download it. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I will now travel town and underdog fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened. We still have this message and redirecting, so let's wait for this redirecting. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing double check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this, so let me open the game and let's test. So let me play this escape tsunami. Okay, and guys, as you can see, I'm now in the game and I have this panel. So thanks for using Delta. We have this message. So click on home button up here, and as you can see, guys, we have all scripts added successfully. Just click execute and wait for the magic. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.